Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Dan McCabe and I have been challenged by some people on my team to give you, literally just give you our 4 levels of leverage and share with you what they are and how they work, because this is what people use. This is what the rich use to continue to get richer. This is how people start making more money with working less hours. Right now, a lot of people are stuck trading their hours for dollars, and that's a really tough place to be. It's really hard to get ahead in life when you have to do that. So we're going to just jump right into it. The 4 levels of leverage, the 4 things you can leverage to make more money with using less of your own time. The first one's an easy one, right? Money. Now, we don't all have a ton of money to invest. I understand that, but just so you understand this concept and how it works, think of somebody like Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is the oracle. You know, one of the richest men in the entire world. And what does he do every single day? He leverages his money to go out and make him more money. He takes this big pile of money he has, he ships it out into the world, and then he's like, at the end of the day, he's like, all right, money, come back and bring more money with you. So he invested with the intent of getting return. He leverages his money to make more money, right? So what is the second level of leverage, which is a little closer to something that regular everyday people can do? It might not seem like it at first, but there are ways that people can do this. The second level of leverage is leveraging people. Now, when you can leverage people just like your boss does, everybody's boss, the owner of every company that has employees is leveraging people. True or true? True. They don't just bring employees into their company because they want more people sitting around the office, more people taking up space. Every single employee in that company has a role that is designed for that company to make more money, and thus for the boss, the big boss man, the managers, the owners of that company, in order for them to make more money, take more vacations, live the life of their dreams. Right now, if you got a job, I'm sorry, you're being leveraged. It's okay. I understand that we need jobs, we need to pay our bills and things like that, but at the same time, what if you could start leveraging people? There's some really cool concepts and ways that you can do that, and we talk about that in some of our other upcoming trainings and things like that, but there are ways for the everyday person to start leveraging other people's time, talents, and efforts and get them making money for them. Now, the third level of leverage, this one really became prominent here about 20 years ago, and it's getting more and more prominent every single day, and that is technology. The internet. You know, about 20 years ago, people started building businesses and building income and residual income using online. Now, right now, just to show you how this works, give you like a real life example that you can see right in front of your very own eyes, you're watching this video. How many times did I have to record this video for you to watch it once on your own time? I had to record it 1 time. So therefore, I do not need to give this presentation of the 4 levels of leverage to the thousands of people that are going to end up watching this video. I need to record it once, and I get thousands of people that watch this video, which is pretty cool. We are leveraging technology to spread our message because we really want more and more people to understand how this stuff works. Because life should be lived on your own terms. You should enjoy and have fun while you have your time on this earth that we all get. You should enjoy it a little bit. And if you are stuck behind a desk that entire time, you're not able to go to your kids' sporting events, you're not able to volunteer at their schools, you can't take that bucket list vacation you've always wanted, you know, it's time we start freeing up your time and we start getting you some choices. We do that with leverage. Now, say you don't have a whole bunch of money to invest. I get it. Say you aren't sure how to leverage people. Well, here you're just kind of an educational way more than anything. There are ways to learn how to do this with minimal time and effort while you have a job, in your spare time, in your part-time. Same thing with technology. You know, within technology, there's all kinds of different ways you can leverage that as well. And these are kind of the 2 easiest ones for the average everyday person without a lot of money to invest to get started. It's a different kind of investment. You always need to invest something if you want things to be different, right? You either got to invest money or you got to invest time. Here, you can invest minimal amounts of money. I'm not going to say no money because, you know, something, you know, along the way you're going to have to buy something, whether it's a course or a piece of software or something. But you can get started with these pretty inexpensively and just start investing your time, and which is what we call the 4th level of leverage. How do you properly leverage your time in order for you to have the best outcome and the best future possible? And you know, are you using your time to watch the hottest new sitcom that is out right now, or are you using your time to start working on these, getting yourself educated and building a foundation, systems, and processes that can help you free up the rest of your life and give you the choices that you've always wanted? So with that being said, I believe that there are a lot of different strategies to implement all of these different concepts. I want to give you guys the simplest and easiest path that I know to get started using these to start building your residual income the quickest way possible. So in order to do that, we've got a part 2 of this video series. I definitely want you to check that out, where I'm going to dive deeper into the easiest way that I know for the everyday person to get started. So with that being said, check out the next video.